Hello and welcome! In this tutorial, I will show you how to use the histogram on a dashboard to analyze the statistical frequency of historical measured values. The histogram is also available in the report editor. The histogram arranges historical measured values according to their frequency of occurrence. Place the corresponding object on the dashboard. Drag it to the desired size. Next, select the measured value to be used in the histogram. Use the graph settings to define the display style for the histogram. The values with the lowest and highest frequency can be highlighted in color. There are statistical data below the diagram. These can be limited to absolute data, for example. Set a standard deviation to analyze the distribution of the measured values. In this example, the histogram shows you with little effort that the voltage is normally distributed about the average value of 332.06 volts. With doubled standard deviation, about 95% of the measured values lie in a range of plus minus 3.36 volts about this average value. Thank you for your interest in this tutorial. For more information, please visit wiki.janitza.de.